Today, I'm so pleased to have with us, all the way from Memphis, Tennessee, Evangelist Jamel Jones. She is the elect lady of Safe Place Ministries, where her husband, Stephen Jones, is the founder and pastor. And she's like me. I heard her. She didn't know I heard her, but I heard her. I want to introduce. Don't read all, and I tell people don't read all that stuff because you make me real nervous. So I'm going to honor what she says because I know what it feels like. But I do want to tell you this. She is the great-granddaughter of our founder, the Bishop Charles Harrison Mason of this great church, the Grand Old Church of God in Christ. I will say this, she is a general in the School of Intercessory Prayer and Spiritual Warfare. I will say this is that she's a young woman who's holding up the standards of holiness and sanctification. I will further state that she is one who believes that you can touch God if you put yourself in the right position spiritually. And I believe that she often visits the throne room. And so today she comes packing with spiritual blessings for us straight from the throne room. I would that you would stand all over this place. And I would that you prepare your hearts and minds now. The ground is already fertile, but she doesn't really know where she is. Let her know this is God's country. And give her a Louisiana first welcome to Evangelist Jamel Jones. And we say to you, be free, let God use you.